everything happens for a reason. Let's look at this candle. Everything happens for a reason. The light inside of our life, it comes through many different activities. Sometimes those actions and activities, we don't even know what's going to be happening next. We can't predict the next minute of what's going to happen. We make plans, and then God shows us His plan. He wants us to plan, and through the plans that we're making, it shows that we can take action. Through the action, then He can direct us to where we need to be. That's why everything happens for a reason. The light that comes, the amplification that happens, the call to others to help and serve our brothers and sisters, it's all real. It's all true. So think about your day. What happened today that happened for a reason? Could have even been a reason that at the time you were upset, angry, whatever. Maybe you were running late, and maybe through that lateness, it prevented you from being in a crash. We never know. All we know is that everything happens for a reason, and it's for our time to grow and for our time to learn and to listen. So today, I would love for you to reflect back and know, what happened today for a reason for me, for my own personal growth? Did it fuel and amplify my light? And if not, what choices did I make with that? I wanted to make a quick announcement. I made a challenge yesterday to see who would join the Facebook group, and our numbers were at 120, and now today we're at 124. So 4 more lights joined, and hopefully they joined for a reason for themselves. Please, if anyone would love to come and join, you can join that 3-day challenge for free. And come, be with us, develop that light, and grow in connection for what it is that you're looking for. We'll see you.